Okay, let's start again. Hello everybody, welcome to Chalk DIY with me, Nikki. Today we are going to create using a charger. Wow, how did that get so crooked? Okay. That I found at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. So last night I painted it. Thank you, Tammy. With chalkboard paint, and I let it sit. I have waxed it, and I'm just gonna buff in that wax. I used my homemade wax just because it was such a big project. Hello Shauna, how are you? So I have some really cool news. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see them, but trying to make it all even. I'm okay, on and off today. Still a few chills and everything, but I have a little more energy. So this morning I was outside in my backyard and I hear this kitten mewing, and I'm like, where is it? Me, the animal lover, right? And so I go, and in my back on, you guys see that? Look what was in my a little blurry, my shed. Okay, I'll post it later. Maybe this one will work better. Okay, there. Look at that. There's 6 little heads. They have their eyes closed. They're still quite young. So I did call animal services, and I said I had no problem taking care of Mom. Mom's a street cat. So I'm just going to feed her and make sure she has water. And then once they're older, eyes open, walking around, I'll take them up to the animal services. They're so cute. I wanted to hug them all. I wanted them all. Unfortunately, my cat hates animals. He would not be happy. And then you gotta get them spayed. No. Okay, that's not really fuzzy, so that's good. So I'm gonna, they're too cute for words. This is good. So what I'm planning on doing here is putting, hopefully, I have to cut off a little bit of it. Where's the edge? Should work. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do love last, and I'm gonna move it up. So I have a lot of wax on there. Maybe I'll move it up just a bit. I'll get it. Okay, there. Let's try that. Oy, oy, oy. So the reason you wax a charger, A, I painted it, and B, I have had, like, even just this part come off on the back of a transfer. And let me tell you, it's making me nervous. Once this material is on the back of your transfer, your transfer is garbage. So take my advice and wax. Ooh. Now that I did all that, I'm just going to move it over just a titch. Maybe that'll help. How's everyone else's day going? See? You only do it once. Only do it once, and you're like, no, not that transfer. The first time that I did it, it happened to me on, of course, a retired transfer. And you're like, oh no. So I'm just gonna do this in Dune. I want it to be evergreen, something that can stay up forever. So I don't want to use any specific colors. I want you to be able to keep it up. Down. Wow, this thing is dirty. Wow, the paste is drying really fast, so move it or lose it, Nikki. Does anybody have any big plans this weekend? And if you didn't notice, if you didn't get any of my messages, wax is restocked. However, there are a lot of recipes, DIY recipes for surface wax. Wow, I'm live.
Where's the bug? Can I please have it?
Why? I'm currently live, and then you can have it.
Okay.
Awesome. I think I may lift up. I haven't been camping in forever. When we were kids, we used to go camping. We'd go for a whole week to one place, and then we would travel around and go to other campsites. Stay there. Okay, we're good. Let's dry it. You know what else I like about this transfer is that you can use the word just family on a different surface. I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. So this project that I'm working on, it's not finished yet. This welcome is from the Let's Sit and Chat. It's the biggest fancier welcome that I had. But just because it's a whole transfer, you don't need to do that. Just make sure I smooth it out. Okay. Ta-da! So now, what do you guys think? I could do the leaves around the edge, or do you think that it's good? Oh. What do you think? Leaves or no leaves? Got some. I was thinking I could just put the leaves, up here. Let's try it. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. I know it's not a chalkboard surface up here, but if I get it soon enough, I should be able to wash it off. If I can get it on to begin with. Let's see. No leaves. I kind of like it just like that. I have a little stand for it. I bought something. I don't know what I bought. But it came with a stand. But you could also hang it on the wall. So I hung it on the wall, but I have the stand. Although my go-to for hanging mostly everything up, it is command hooks or command strips. If you guys have not tried command hooks and strips, it's the way to go. It's how I hand. They have ones that'll hang up to 10 pounds or something. So that's what I use to hang all my really large transfers with. Wow. Okay. Sorry. So I use command strips for some things, but I use the command hooks. Yes, the ones that if you pull the top, they come off. These like this. When you pull that, it just comes right off your wall. Oops. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the hardest part for me. Not even picking colors. Getting it back on straight. I know it was a quick project. Oh, forget it. Yeah, they're my favorite. So, I know it was a quick project because I did all the work last night, but I wasn't sure how it would look. So again, all I did, sorry, I have paste here from the project. All I did was, like I said, you can get these at the Dollar Tree too, but the Dollarama, but the Dollar Tree has the most, I find. And so many different colors. I have chalked right on it before, but wax. I just painted it black. You could use acrylic paint. You could use anything else. Any other kind of paint. Wax it. And then you're good to go. I think it's cute. And then I have this. When you're at the Dollar Tree or the Dollarama, this, I have other things like this. Can't really see it. See this? You can get these, sometimes they're on the back of an ugly plate, but buy the ugly plate. They're just little holders like this. Plate holders that stand. Brilliant. Anyways, that's it for me today. I'll be back tomorrow with another project. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Remember, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.